Hi there. So after our little conversation with Josephine and Jack, me and Kate last week, we decided that we were going to do a bit of cooking. And for the cooking, we were going to use some stuff that everybody has in their cupboard and do something really healthy and really easy. So I thought we'd make a bit of a challenge, have a bit of fun with it. So I've got my friend who I'm in lockdown with, Patrick.
Hello.
And we're going to challenge Patrick to make something to eat for
Okay.
Josephine and Jack. So, what you've got on, okay, is that you've got a bit of cheese, you've got some kidney beans, some baked beans, a tin of chopped tomatoes, one onion, some vegetable stock, a pepper, some whole wheat pasta, some salt and pepper.
Okay.
Do you think you could do it?
I think I'm going to have a go.
Okay.
I might need one more thing out my cupboard.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit of oil. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, here's our lovely pan. Drop of oil. We're going about a tablespoon if you're into measuring.
Should I get a tablespoon? Show people.
Yeah. None of those are a tablespoon. So a tablespoon of oil.
Don't put another one in.
There we go. And let's get this heated up on a medium heat. We're also going to boil our kettle. This fantastic thing.
Do you want me to do that?
It's full.
All right.
Let's get chopping. So, top off the onion, tail off the onion. And I find the easiest way to do this is to chop it in half. Just like that. And take the brown skin off. And again. Two lovely halves of onion. I'm going to take our knife, I'm going to chop it down once, twice, 3 times, and keeping our fingers nice and far out of the way, just going to chop down and dice our onion. There we go. 1/2. Halving the onions is a really great idea because it gives you a nice, solid oniony base to work from. Means the onion doesn't roll around while chopping. 1 onion. That's going to go in our pan. Wonderful. There it is. Can't quite hear that sizzle, so I've turned my pan up. Get something to stir it with. There we are, and we can hear that lovely sizzle. Next chopping job is our pepper. Here it is. And these are great because they kind of stand up by themselves. And we can just cut down the pepper around the outside like this. Then turn it. Turn it. And turn it. And turn it. Last one. And we've got all of our lovely red pepper there. but absolutely none of the seeds. That's going in the compost. So now we can chop our pepper. I love the taste of peppers in cooking. Who doesn't? Actually, if you don't, they are optional. That's now in the pan. And you can hear it there sizzling away. Perfect. Give that a stir. Yep, kettle's on. Next thing is our tinned ingredients. And I'm going to do something a little clever with these. Now, baked beans are a fantastic ingredient. They're really, really great. But sometimes you find that the sauce in them is a little, I don't know, sugary.
Do you want me to stir them for you? Thank you.
So, into the colander with the baked beans. Into the colander with the kidney beans, which you... There we are. If you don't have a colander, you can use a sieve. There they all are in all their beanie goodness. And I'm just rinsing them off under the tap just here. Away. We're going to make a lovely beanie pasta. All those going in the pan now.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Next then is our tin of chopped tomatoes. Problem with this is there is no there's no ring pull on this, so I'm going to have to get the tin opener.
I'm just going to put this into the thing so we can all see it.
Okay.
There we go, that's what it looks like. I'm going to put it back on the heat now, just so everyone could see it. Glad I didn't drop that.
Tin opener. I'll bring it over here. What do we got in here? A lovely tin of Careful Fingers tomatoes. Ready? Yeah. All of that goes in like so. One more ingredient to go in, and that's our stock cube. Now, I love stock cubes. They're really, really great for adding flavour to a dish, and it means you don't need to use so much salt.
Chop it on the wood so everyone can see.
One stock cube. And we're going to sprinkle that into our dish. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And give it a really good stir. Now that needs to cook down for a good little while, probably at least 15 minutes. And that's great, because what's about to happen is our kettle is about to boil. So to cook our pasta, we need a pan full of boiling water. Brilliant. And to help the pasta cook, we're not going to try and make it salty, but a little bit of salt in your pasta water always helps things cook really, really well. Show you. How about a pinch? Our pasta sauce is bubbling away nicely there. Do you want to see? Steam the camera up a bit. And now we need some pasta. I think the best way to measure pasta is in handfuls. And I think if we go 2 handfuls per person, that'll be perfect. That's about right for a person's worth of pasta. We're just going to pop that on the heat with the lid on. Woohoo! Now, the pasta will take, it'll tell you on your packet. I'm just going to look on this packet here. It says simmer for approximately 9 to 11 minutes. So I'm just going to get my timer. I'm going to say, what should we say? 10 minutes. And there we go. So our pasta's going to bubble away for the next. Our pasta's going to bubble away for the next 9 minutes, 48 seconds. And we'll test it when it's done. Make sure it's cooked. Cooking down nicely. Pasta's almost ready now. A couple of minutes left. I'm going to give my sauce a little taste. Got a fresh spoon.
Can I have a little taste too?
Of course you may.
Is it hot?
A little.
Okay, so shall I blow it first?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's very nice. Very tomatoey.
Mm-hmm. Might need a smidge of pepper. I like it. As you can see, this sauce is now reduced down beautifully. It's getting really thick and saucy. All done. Right, let's get this pasta out. We're going to need to drain it with our trusty colander. Pasta's all drained now. Here we are. Let's get a plate and start dishing up.
I've got a plate. This is quite exciting.
So, bit of pasta. Perfect. And now that lovely sauce. And for the finishing touch, I think we'll grate some cheese, won't you? Let's do this. Fingers out the way. Should we give this plate to Josephine and Jack? Do you think they'd like it?
Oh, wow, this looks absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for this. And what an easy way just to make something really tasty and nice. You try it out and comment below. Also, send us any other recipes that you think are really good to make at home. So me and Josephine are going to enjoy our nice pasta supper. See you later. Bye.